Good morning. So it's currently 6 o'clock a.m. The sun has not even risen yet, and we are waiting for Grandma to pick us up. Because where are we going? Yellowstone. We're doing like a one-day trip to Yellowstone, so we're gonna go there. And I'm gonna get ready. I'm so tired. I did not get enough sleep last night, so I do have a headache. And look at me and Gabby's shirts. Come here.
Oh, the matching.
We got our matching shirts. So yeah, we're just gonna just chill on the couch and sleep until Grandma gets here. And I didn't mention my aunt and uncle are visiting from Australia, so that is why we're going to Yellowstone today. And yesterday we went to Walmart and they had never been to Walmart, and that was kind of funny. So yeah, that's why we were going. Anyways, bye.
take a picture. It says doors full.
Oh my gosh! I never seen something like
Look how high it is.
Wow.
That's why I throw my phone in.
Just throw your phone in.
Guys,
Get a new one.
you can't really see it. Yeah.
Say hello.
It's hard, but
Hi.
it's a way life is. You can't.
No, you got it. It's a video. How was Yellowstone?
Hello. Loved it.
What was your favorite thing?
What's your favorite
What do you
thing?
call that thing?
Guys,
Oh, faithful.
Cayeslayyy?
The
like
Cayeslayyy.
Oh, the Old
Yeah.
Faithful.
Yeah.
It took her like an
Yeah.
hour just to go around and took every little pictures of every little bubbles that comes
But I
out.
haven't sit back and check and see how they.
How it came out.
Maybe some are very blurred. But I had to ask everybody to airdrop.
Airdrop it to you.
Yeah.
That's good.
And then
It
we
was
came back.
awesome. Really
Good.
loved it.
I know Nigel was so happy.
Oh, I
You
think
got-
he saw me Mika to tell the family, his
Yeah.
family about what we did yesterday.
He kept saying, "I'm such a happy little boy."
Yeah. Oh, because since we missed out from Arizona on the
Oh.
Grand Canyon,
Oh, you didn't get to go see it?
no, because I was sick on that day,
Oh.
and that was our first activities. But we went to Sedona
Uh-huh.
and Butterfly and Odyssey.
See it. Yeah.
Probably the same.
Hey,
Yeah,
look at me.
You know, the sea world. Back home, we call it Sea World. We've all.
Oh yeah. With all the
Mommy
whales
got
and stuff.
message.
It was beautiful too.
Okay, now we're gonna hit the road and go home.
I know
Yeah.
it sucks.
Say bye.
Bye.
Hey, good morning. I've been really roughing it out here with my looks. I wouldn't even call this a vacation. This was like a one-day thing. So my phone died yesterday. After we went to Old Faithful, we are in the hotel room now, as you can see. And my mom took the kids down to get some breakfast. And I am actually just taking a break from food because we ate like crap, and I've been doing keto, so yesterday was not a keto day. We freaking had Jack in the Box, so like late last night at like midnight. So my hair freaking looking like Mufasa. So yeah, I'm gonna try and fast today because I do not feel good at all after eating like that. And then I'll get back on my keto today. Well, I'm gonna actually try to fast all day. We'll see how it goes. But anyways, yeah, all in all, it was a good time at Yellowstone. The kids had a lot of fun. It was so beautiful. It was my first time being there, so it was so beautiful. It was like everything that I expected and more. So yeah, we don't live that far from Yellowstone. We live like maybe a 5-hour drive depending from Yellowstone Park, so it's close enough that we could just drive there. But yeah, I mean, the whole time I was like, oh my gosh, I wish I could show my husband this, or I was like thinking about us taking a trip back there with the kids, or like by ourselves, just together. So it's kind of sad when he can't be here to, you know, go on our first trips with us. But he's calling me today, so I get to tell him all about it. Anyways, thank you guys for coming along on this vlog. I haven't done one in a while, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.